Hey guys, welcome to StudyNet. Today we will talk about United Nations. In this lecture, I will cover this briefly as your exam perspective. But before they begin, if you haven't subscribed StudyNet yet, then subscribe it first and share this video with your friends. Now let's start. So United Nations or UN. So UN is an international organization founded in 1945 after the World War II. As you know, World War II began on 1939 and ended in 1945. Then after the end of the World War II, the United Nations founded. Okay, so UN Charter was signed in San Francisco on June 1945. So where is San Francisco? It is in a USA and came into existence on 24th October 1945 after 51 countries have signed this charter. So firstly, the charter was signed by the 51 countries and this came into existence on October 1945 and then United Nations is formed. If somebody asks to you which type of organizations of United Nations, so it is a intergovernmental organizations. Remember this point. Okay. So the League of Nations is a predecessor of the United Nations, which is created by the Treaty of Versailles in 1919 and was disbanded in 1946. So who is the predecessor predecessor of the United Nations? So it is the League of Nations. Okay, now we will talk about the objectives or missions of the UN. So its objectives are maintain international peace and security, developing friendly relations among nations and promoting social progress, better living standards and human rights. So these all are the objectives of the United Nations. So this is the logo of the UN, as you can see here. So headquarters of the United Nations is in New York, NYC, which is located in the USA. Now currently when I am recording this video or lecture, currently there are 193 members. Latest member is the South Sudan and there are also two observer states which are Palestine and Holy See. And the official language which are used in a United Nations are the Arabic, English, French, Chinese, Spanish and Russians. Now we will talk about the UN Charter. So what was the UN Charter? What is this? So it is a constitutive instrument of the United Nations signed on 26 June 1945. It sets out the rights and obligations of member states and establishes the principal organs and procedure of the United Nations. So UN Charter is like a rule book. In this rule book, the rights and obligations are written for the member states, the 193 member states. So and also in this rule book, the principles and procedures for the working of the principal organs of the United Nations are also written. Principal organs of the UN are like UNGA, United Nations Security Councils, etc. So in this UN Charter, the principles in this UN Charter, the procedures for the working of the UN organs are written, and also there are the rights and obligations for the members of the United Nations are also written. Okay, so firstly this charter adopted by the 51 countries and then United Nations formed. Okay, so I cover this whole topic all topic as your exam perspective. If you like this initiative, so subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you.